Gloria, Gloria, you are shaking your head. Daughter of Zion. It is pretty lady. Oh, lazy as lazy cockroach. Rose. Gloria. I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Really? Children of the world. Children of the world.
Say your face.
Show my meat that I'm making. My peppered meat.
Interesting.
Pepper is already more than the meat itself.
Yeah. See our beautiful mama. Show your face now.
Quiet girl.
As in, hey, expert in sliding of cucumber.
Is it cucumber or cabbage that is like that?
Cabbage. And beautiful tummy soup.
Sister, did they break your heart? Is your heart broken?
Just like this, and then like this.
Not throw away our cabbage.
No go for it.
How do I say this before I go and
If I hear making hair, this is preposterous. This is preposterous. The Lord will help you.
Hey, so our food is ready.
The food is ready. But just frying it.
Where is what we are looking?
No.
It's not showing now.
It's showing.
Yeah, well, we're done. This lighting is not doing justice to this food. Channel. This is the Seat Out with Kimberly. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Here we talk about life, faith, music. But let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. So I'm just waiting for others, you know. Hey people. Hey. You girl is fine, girl.
Well said. Are they part of us? Are they part of us? Everybody said. Everybody say hi. Say hi to my camera. Have you to my Toby, say hi. Toby say fine boy. Now call your name special. Come on, say hi to my channel, John. Fine. No.
For the record, we're waiting for 2 more people and then we're out of here.
Sorry, wait.
Say hi. Say hi to Chuck. Say hi. Hi, my Gloria. Fine girl. Say hi. Toast. Rose, are you here, girl? Olivia. So, Rose.
My mama told me the sun. Sure. I woke up with a good vibe. Closed my eyes and saw a good sign. Something different, something too nice. This life we're living, no be 2 times. If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Don't worry about it. If he show, then he show. If he no show, then he no show. Don't worry about it, 'cause good times don't come easy, but they do eventually. Good times don't come easy, but they do. Just remember, please, to say ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, ayo, ayo. I can see people smiling, music playing, children dancing, my people happy. I feel like say it's gonna be a good day. I chill like say nothing really do me. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got the vibe, yeah. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got the vibe. But if you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Don't worry about it. And if he go, then he go. If he no go, then he no go. Don't worry about it. Good times don't come easy, but they do eventually. Good times don't come easy, but they do. Just remember, please, to say ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, ayo, 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 ayo. Sure. I woke up with a good vibe. Closed my eyes and saw a good sign. Something different, something too nice. This life we're living, no be 2 times. If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Don't worry about it. If he show, then he show. If he no show, then he no show. Don't worry about it, 'cause good times don't don't come easy, but they do eventually. Good times don't come easy, but they do. Just remember, please, to say ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, yo, ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, yo, ayo, ayo. I can see people smiling, ayaga, yaga, yo. Music playing, ayaga, yaga, yo. Children dancing, ayaga, yaga, yo. My people happy, ayaga, yaga, yo. Oh yeah. I feel like say it's gonna be a good day. I chill like say nothing really do me. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got a vibe, yeah. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got a vibe. But if you know then you know, if you know then you know. Don't worry about it. And if he go then he go, if he no go then he no go. Don't worry.
I'm scared of this thing. I want to make it up. We still have a long journey to go.
Jesus, we are just about to get to step 6.
We were able to get this far by the strength of the Holy Ghost.
This is not easy.
If I don't lose 10 pounds today, another flight of stairs climbed successfully. If I tell you that I'm not tired, I'm lying to you. Hey! How are we going to walk this thing down? Hey, sir, please, let's stop here. I can't even continue.
Don't go to the higher floor if you have that.
Okay, yeah.
Because how do you pass for this?
Because to even you just wear off your shoes.
I woke up with a good vibe. Closed my eyes and saw a good sign. Something different, something too nice. This life we're living, no be 2 times. If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know.
How are we going to climb back?
Don't worry about it. If he show, then he show. If he no show, then he no show.
I cannot because of blood. You broke your leg and see. I know I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this shit. Nah. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm too scared of heights. I'm not doing it. It's too risky. I'm scared of heights. Guys, we made it. We made it. You can see how I'm sweating. Guys. It looked so slippery.
We can just up.
My people happy. Oh yeah. I feel like say it's gonna be a good day. I chill like say nothing really do me. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got a vibe, yeah. Oh yes indeed, you know that I got a vibe. But if you know then you know, if you know then you know. Don't worry about it. And if he go then he go, if he no go then he no go. easy, but they do eventually. Good times don't come easy, but they do. Just remember, please, to say ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, yo, ayo, 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 ayaga, yaga, yo, ayo, ayo. I can see people smiling, ayaga, yaga, yo. Music playing, ayaga, yaga, yo. Children dancing, ayaga, yaga, yo. My people happy, ayaga, yaga, yo. My mama told me the sun is gonna shine again. Good times don't come easy, but they do eventually. Sure. I woke up with a good vibe. Closed my eyes and saw a good sign. Something different, something too nice. This life we're living, no be two times. If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Don't worry about it. If he show, then he show. If he no show, then he.
So guys, we decided to stop at the second step. The other people have gone up. And this white, after pulling it out, to them. They've gone to the third step, which I decided not to do because I don't want to risk my life. Gloria. Sir. Say hi to my channel. Hi. That's my pastor, guys. So, it's been a fun trip. Not that I refuse to risk my life. My parents did not send me to Osun State to come and break my leg. I'll go home complete. Thank you. I'll go home complete. Return back home complete. See you guys later when they come down. I actually thought we'd go down, like go back down to the first step. We came with food, so I was thinking we'd just go back, get something to eat, play games and all of that. But seriously, these guys are really out to have fun. So they've gone up, and I sincerely can't imagine myself climbing this thing. It's crazy. I just can't do it. So it's too scary. I can't do that shit. So we're waiting for them to come and then we can go down. And going down is even scary for me because I feel like it's going to be so slippery. You know, and yeah, play games, get something to eat, and Alright guys, so they are back from the third and I think they went on the fourth. Did you guys get to the fourth? So they got to the fourth, they are back. I stopped on the second floor because I didn't I like I said, I don't want to risk my life. So we are going down. We're going for games. We're going to play games and do other fun stuff. So yeah, I say yes, Lord, yes. With my whole heart I'll obey when my spirit speaks to me. I don't know the remaining part of the song. And my answer will be yes, Lord, yes. Senior evangelist, physiotherapist of the year. Yeah, baby. Dr. Thompson. Yeah, baby. sorry. Woo.
If you know, then you know. If you know, then you know. Don't worry.
Hey, I refuse to fall in Jesus' name. I shall finish strong.
If you don't show, then you know show.
This is where we followed.
Don't worry about it.
See, my body is already paining me. Like,
Easy, but they do eventually. Good times don't come.
Thank God I didn't do. I refuse to do things like that. Man, my camera is just giving what it is doing. My camera is doing well. I'm proud of you, baby. I'm proud of you. Don't worry, we'll soon buy a new phone. Yeah? But you don't know, yeah? I'm down, we'll soon plug it. Let's get to a place where we can plug. Where we can sit down and eat good food. Hey, Oluwa. Please, I'm more exhausted than them that went up. Please, my lap, I can't feel it. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it
Pink, orange.
Red.
Is everybody clear with you?
Are we clear?
Wait, Toby. Who is playing and who is not playing? And Toby, if you miss it, you are going to come and change me. Come and don't I leave and move and have my dinner.
Being as in.
Being a woman is not easy.
Now when you come there, business. Now when you say your inflation come, they come. Yes, you are right. Okay.
I can see people smiling, music playing, children dancing.
It's very possible to have fun without actually finding satisfaction. And that's the reason why we realize that by the time we leave a fun atmosphere, we can still get back into a frustrated situation. One of the things that satisfaction does is that even if you have challenges, you still live above that challenges, particularly psychologically speaking. You still live above that. So my encouragement personally is that we all pursue satisfaction. And you know, satisfaction cannot be drawn from what we eat, going to the waterfall, dancing and all of you. satisfaction cannot actually be done only with withdrawal from God and finding the meaning of life. So I actually want to leave you with that, identifying the personal meaning of your own life. What's the meaning of my life? What's my life all about? The day you discover that, there is a kind of satisfaction that begins to come. If you don't discover that, you will pursue form, but you will still be frustrated. So that's my encouragement for each and every one of us. What's the meaning of my life as a person? Because that is where the sense of fulfillment and the sense of satisfaction actually come from. You know, you can't get that if you don't have a relationship with God. So, in order to discover the meaning of life, you need to discover the one that created life itself. And that's the question. Trust God to give you deeper and better understanding. Father, thank you. We give a praise for this opportunity. Thank you for this atmosphere. Thank you for each and every word. Thank you for making this plan a success. Thank you for the safety down here and back to our beings.